Hi, my name is Andrea, and welcome back to Geeky Girls Journal. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. And if you are a part of our family, that means you subscribed already. We thank you for returning to view and to listen to this video, and we really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. So we're just going to get right into this video. I wanted to do a video on one of the most frequently asked questions because we've been doing the child tax credit series. You'll see the two other videos in the link below. I'll put them in the link in the description. But this video is answering the question about eligibility because I've been hearing a lot of parents say they wondered if they were eligible. So this video should answer that question for you. So you can see that I am already on the page that you're going to go to. You just type in irs.gov in your browser. And once you get there, you should see this page. And you have two ways that you can get to the answer to your question. You can go to the top and click the word search. And then you can type in Child Tax Credit Portal as I've done here. Or you can remain on this page and scroll down. To get answers on the Advanced Child Tax Credit, you want to click that rectangle. Okay, once you get there, it says Advanced Child Tax Credit Payments in 2021. You scroll down, and this page begins by just reminding you that the first set of payments will begin July 15th. And it says you will claim the other half when you file your 2021 income tax return. These changes apply to tax year 2021 only. Okay, so it says to qualify for advanced child tax credit payments, you and your spouse, if you filed a joint return, must have these things: filed a 2019 or 2020 tax return and claimed the child tax credit on the return, or given the IRS your information in 2020 to receive the economic impact payment using the non-filers. And you can enter the payment information in the tool. You also have to have a main home in the United States for more than half the year. That's the 50 states and the District of Columbia. Or file a joint return with a spouse who has a main home in the United States for more than half the year, and a qualifying child who is under the age of 18 at the end of 2021 and who has a valid Social Security number and made less than the certain income limits. So the IRS says they'll use information that you provided earlier to determine if you qualify and automatically, look at this keyword, automatically enroll you for advance payments. You don't need to take any additional action to get advance payments. So if you decide that you don't want to get the advance payments, you would do something different. If you scroll down, the box right under that paragraph where it says manage payments, you can use this tool to check if you're enrolled to receive payments. You can unenroll to stop getting payments, and you can provide or update your bank account information for payments beginning in August. So if that applies to you, you would tap Manage Payments right here. Okay, if it does not, you scroll on down. If you're a non-filer, you submit your information here where it says enter your information. You click that. Okay, this is the question that most of us are looking for. So scroll on down. It says check if you may be eligible for the advanced child tax credit payments. Click that purple link. There you go. All right. Now you're on the advanced child tax credit eligibility assistant tool. Okay, this one, how this works is you can use the assistant to check if you might be eligible for advanced payments of the child tax credit. This is where we want to be to find out if you qualify or if you're eligible. It tells you what you need right here. You can read through that, and then you scroll on down. You click this box right here, right before your security and privacy, which is important, and you check. It says check your eligibility. That's the box you want to click. So go ahead and click it. Okay. Now you'll see you're at the Advanced Child Tax Credit Eligibility Assistant. The Advanced Child Tax Credit Eligibility Assistant helps determine if you are eligible for advance payments of the child tax credit and answer these questions below to see if you're eligible. You see that there are steps 1 of 4. These are general questions, and we're just going to plug in common answers just to see where we can get from here to give you an example of what you're supposed to do once you get to this page. Okay, all the fields are marked with an asterisk are required, so don't forget to mark those fields. So the first question says, did you claim the child tax credit on your 2019 or 2020 tax return? We're going to say yes. Click yes. Go down to the next question. Where was your main home for more than half of 2019 or 2020? We're going to say any of the 50 states or the District of Columbia. If you were U.S. military facility, you click that. U.S. territory or foreign address, you click those things. I'm just going to go with any of the 50 states. Okay, and then now if you see this green box that popped up with the check, and it says you may qualify for advance payments of the child tax credit. Continue to the next page to determine if you qualify. So you're going to scroll down, click next, and you're on step 4 of 4 where you see results. So based on the answers that I have provided, I'm eligible for the advance payments of the child tax credit, and then it goes on to give you the breakdown. You may receive half of the child tax credit for each child in equal payments each month. For the remainder of 2021, payments will start in July. So for each qualifying child under age 6, you'll receive up to $1,800 in advance, generally paid in 6 monthly payments of $300. So that's what, $300 once a month for 6 months. For each qualifying child over the age of 6 and under age 18, you will receive up to $1,500 in advance, generally paid in 6 monthly payments of $250. So $250 per month for 6 months. The advance payment amounts begin to be reduced if your modified AGI exceeds these, and they give you the information below. You just scroll on down. Now, if you want to find out if you're enrolled to receive the payments, you can just click Manage Your Advanced Child Tax Credit Payments. And if you want to find out more details, find out how advanced payments could affect your 2021 tax return, you will click on that box. If you have any further questions, you can keep on scrolling down, and you can see here it says for details about the advanced payments of the child tax credit, see questions and answers. So you click that link, or you can just go to the most frequently asked questions, and they'll give you the answers as well. Hopefully this video has answered your question, and now you know if you're eligible to receive the child tax credit. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and sorry, I don't know what happened there. It went to another screen, but I just wanted to say again, thank you for watching this video, and we will see you again in the next video. Oh, don't forget, I am not a tax professional, so if you have any further questions that cannot be answered by the IRS.gov, then you will need to question them, call them, email them, get in touch with your tax professional. Okay, have a good day. This is Andrea again for Geeky Girls Journal.